Now you listen.
Cow.
Very good. One more time. Cow.
Cow.
Very good. Say it 3 times. Cow, cow, cow.
Cow. Cow. Cow.
Okay, very good. Now, what is it?
Cow.
Yeah. Now let's say it in a sentence. It's a cow.
Yes, a cow.
Moo. Moo. Okay, very good.
Listen carefully.
Cow.
Cow. Cow. Okay, one more time. Cow. 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 Yes, very good. Dear, can you tell me what is the color of the cow? What's the color of the cow? Black and white. Very good. Great job. Let's say it in a sentence. It's black and white. It's black and white. Very good. Great job for that. Okay. Can you tell me how many legs does the cow have? How many legs does the cow have? 4. Yes, very good. Can you say it in a sentence? 4. 4. Okay, let's say it in a sentence. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. Very good. Great job for that. Okay, what is this? It's cow. Okay, very good. One more time. It's a cow. It's a cow. Great job. Okay.